Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Marta Lepkowska here, maremismallart. Welcome, how are ya? I hope you are doing great and I hope you are ready for another tutorial and another challenge. Art journaling in 10 minutes only. Please don't be stressed over those 10 minutes. It's just fun, it's just a little game. It's just for us to maybe unstress ourselves in a different way. To stress ourselves to release the stress. Does that make sense? That doesn't make sense. Anyway, I have some distress oxides today and I have beautiful focal point. I have this butterfly since probably 2-3 months, very long, on my desk, like that, waiting for the perfect moment, and I think today it's the one. I think I'm gonna go for this color matching the butterfly. I'm gonna go for this color matching the butterfly. I'm gonna go for this one as well, and I think that's it, isn't it? So this is my background, so that's where I'm gonna that's what I'm gonna try to use. And I have the silicone foil, the thing that, let's put some 10 minutes time. Don't look at the clock, I will. And also it will be turning off because I cannot switch off my thing, and it's keep on going black, but that's okay. So I'm gonna spray some water, I think, or not, or whatever, and I'm gonna just basically play around with my oxides because I didn't play for ages. So without any further chatting, without any further ado, let's do it. 10 minutes, okay. So what I'm gonna do is I will just nothing different than what Teams showed us, I think, isn't it? Okay, except that I'm kind of mixing it all up. But anyway, let's see what's the story here. And time, the time of my life, half-minute gone. Let's see. I should turn this around maybe like that. Oh, wow! Look at that! Woo! I love it! Okay, I don't want to destroy it. I'm gonna put this aside because I love it. I'm gonna use it again maybe. And let's pause it for drying time, okay? Do we have a deal? Page is dry, so let's... oh, the battery is dying. I hope it's not gonna die on me now. There we go. Okay, time is going, and I have to take this away. Now, I have transparent gesso, and I do believe that this will be reacting or not. Yeah. Oh well, that's okay. I'm gonna be very gentle about it. So actually, I'm gonna be gentle, and I just hope that I'm not gonna activate too much of the color on top of the butterfly. But I think we're doing pretty good, isn't it? That's okay. Perfect. I really like that. I really love that. Okay, a little more. Okay, let's dry this as well. Yeah, but before drying, let's pause the time. 7 minutes. Okay, back to you. I'm thinking to add a little bit of stamping, and also I have this gorgeous stencil of mine. Look at this, it could be amazing. So what I'm thinking is to cover my butterfly with this backing thing, do some stamping, stamping actually at the end, but now grab the stencil and now take this jeans. Yeah, but I think this time I don't want anything to move, so I never do it. Oh, sorry, I forgot about the timer. Okay, 7 minutes, well, nearly 8 minutes. That's plenty actually, isn't it? That's plenty. So let's see, I'm just gonna attach a little bit the stencil. I don't want this to move, so Okay, there we go, and there we go. Okay, I think we can start. Plenty time actually, if you think about it. Oh, wow. This is gonna be so interesting to see how this will turn out. Sorry, I have plenty little jars on my desk. Oh, I love that already, but it can be shocking good or shocking bad. Isn't it? You never know, we never know, we can't be sure. Okay. I think I would love to do one more thing, which is black. If I have, oh, I do. Black. Where's my black sponge? Oh, I have it. I have my black sponge. So I'm thinking to add touches of black as well in the middle, as in the nearest to the butterfly. Let me check the time. 6.5 minutes, plenty. So I'm just kind of trying to outline my butterfly right now, if that makes any sense to you. Okay. Oh, that's so exciting to see this. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. That's enough. If not, we will try to redo it. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Before anything, I'm gonna do the stamping, since the butterfly is still there. I love it. I know I love it, although it's not finished. And I don't even see it because the butterfly is covered, but I know I will absolutely adore it. Oh, Marta. Okay, and white splashes, and I'm gonna use my, how is the time? 5 minutes. Actually, I should look at my clock here on the screen of my camera. Oops, that's okay. Very big splash. That's fine. I love it. Wait till we take off the thing. Anything else? Look, we did this in 5 minutes actually, because it's so. Oh, the title. Let's grab my stickers at least. At least that. Where did I put them? I have them, but Artastic, Craft Daily, that's matching beautifully. Craft Daily. That's to all of us. Craft Daily, guys. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna take the... Oh, look at that! That is amazing! This is crazy beautiful! I'm shocked now. Oh, it's okay. But look. I don't know where to put it. Craft Daily. Why not? Oh, wow. Look at the stenciling. Oh my, I love it so much. I have to say that this particular stencil is, yeah, it is the most expensive in the shop, I think. But it is something that I just truly adore, came up with, and I just like it the most from them all. It's very tricky with, oops, the time, with the cutting and all, and I'm so proud of this stencil. I really am. I just love it, so I hope you will love it too. and you can use it to so many projects, and look, it looks just sensational. Oh, I love it. We have 3 minutes, so do you know what? I can add something else. Or not. I don't know. Even like the frame around it looks so cool, isn't it? Because if this would touch too much of the butterfly, it would be kind of it would be lost. But with the frame around it by accident, I haven't planned that, the frame around it by accident looks amazing. You don't have to be perfect. No, you don't. Do we need any more stickers, or are we fine here? You don't have to be perfect. Knows that. There we go. Date is today. It's after midnight, so it's gonna be 28th. 28th of July. That's when I'm recording it. I wonder when I'm gonna upload it. It's gonna be interesting to know. 28th of July. Why not have 3 dates? Why not? Oh, I cannot believe it that this page, looking so sensational, took us we still have 2 minutes left. I cannot believe it. Okay, I'm gonna pause it because we are done and dusted here. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and found it, as always, that I hope inspirational. I have to say I truly enjoyed it and love it to bits. Love it to bits. And this butterfly, I swear, it was waiting 3-4 months on my desk, and I think someone sent it to me on not that I think, I'm sure someone sent it to me. Some crafty friend sent it to me in this particular napkin. That's why I kept it, because I really wanted to use it. So I hope that whoever sent it to me, I'm sorry, I don't remember. I just don't remember. Forgive me that. I really hope that you can see it. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna show you the previous one that I did today. You probably saw this video already, didn't you? I hope you did. If you didn't, check it on my YouTube channel, because there's quite a number of those pages now. So I'm gonna wrap up at that, and I'm thinking, will I make one more video tonight, or will it be crazy? That would be the 5th one. Okay, start crafting, guys. Grab some stencils, some inks if you have some, and let's do some craft with me, do some page with me. Yeah, you will love it and enjoy it. I'm telling you. Oh, and grab this foil. Grab this foil because it's so cool. So cool. I can still reactivate that with water, I guess. Okay, I'm going. Or maybe I'm gonna make popcorn at midnight and just chill at Netflix and wait for Lucas to come home. I may do that, actually, because that's plenty what I've done tonight. Oh, I miss you so much already. That's why I cannot stop talking to you, and I don't want to go. I'm not going. Sorry, I'm staying here at the desk. Okay, I love you loads. I love you loads. Bye. Bye bye.